The temples of the ancient city of Bagan are iconic landmarks in Burma, but the area is also home to a number of extremely rare birds that are only found in the region. As calls for the conservation of the archaeological sites increases, ornithologists say more efforts are needed to protect the birds.
Endemic birds
There are 4 rare bird species that dwell in the Bagan archaeological zone: the white-throated blabber, Lurdon's minivet, the Burmese bushlark, and the hooded tree pea. Thang Ong says the birds risk losing their habitat because of Bagan's tourist boom.
endemic birds sleeping site nesting site
Bird-watching tours in Bagan are becoming more and more popular with bird-loving tourists. Thang Ong says it is important that tourism companies promote the conservation of not only the heritage sites, but of Bagan's birds and wildlife.